Construction management is the process of planning, coordinating, and overseeing the execution of a construction project from start to finish. Construction managers are responsible for ensuring that the project meets the client's requirements, budget, and schedule, as well as complying with the relevant codes, standards, and regulations. The construction management process can be divided into 5 main phases: initiation, planning, design, construction, and closure. Each phase involves different tasks and deliverables that contribute to the successful completion of the project. In this video, we will be discussing components of construction management, focusing on the topics that we learned throughout the CPACE 103 subject, which is 1. Construction design stage. 2. Safety and health in construction. 3. Risk identification and management in construction. 4. Construction quality management. 5. Construction waste management. 6. Benchmarking. 7. Construction value management. 8. Supply chain management. These 8 components forms part of the pillars of overall construction management and will be explained further in details in this video.
Construction design stage. The design stage of a construction is the most important stage of the construction. During this stage, a team of consultants are usually engaged and appointed to plan, structure, and design not only the product, but also the strategy and process of the construction itself. This involves obtaining approvals, carrying out investigations, obtaining financial aid, and many other important processes. Communication between the owner/client and the consultant team is important to visualize the needs and vision of the project to materialize it. During the programming and feasibility step, each of the objectives and goals of the project has to be outlined. Numerous decisions are made at this stage, including how large the building will be, how space will be used, and how many rooms will be needed. The schematic design is a sketch that will show the space as well as materials, colors, and even textures. That sketch will be used during the design development to research the equipment needed, along with the cost for them and the materials being used. Safety and health in construction. Quality, health, safety, and environment are a big part of construction management. To obtain the best practice and maximize productivity while also adhering to the environmental and safety standards, managing the safety and health aspects of the construction is a very important process. A safety management system includes all safety-related activity on a work site. Whether it's hazard identification and safety policies to safety plans, objective setting, safety training schedules, and reporting procedures.
1. Common risks associated with construction projects: safety hazards, worker safety risks, injuries from falls, equipment accidents, electrocution, and exposure to hazardous materials. Public safety risks: a potential harm to the public due to construction activities, falling debris, or unsecured sites. Project delays, permit and approval delays, delays in obtaining necessary permits or approvals from government bodies or local authorities.
Quality management. Construction quality control is a system of management that ensures that deliverables meet the standards and guidelines set by the client at the beginning of the construction process. This can include a number of criteria such as completing the project within the scope of work. In the end, quality is decided by the client, regulatory bodies, and EPA guidelines. Quality control and quality assurance are 2 equally important arms of construction quality. While assurance refers to setting quality management expectations, quality control refers to the plans and procedures that achieve high-quality outcomes. Issues arise in construction quality control when the factors affecting the quality are not properly identified and addressed. Quality control in construction seeks to solve problems, provide high-quality results, and prevent issues from coming up again in the future.
Waste management. Management of construction waste entails reducing waste generation during the design and construction phases of a project. Waste management, especially with respect to waste minimization, can contribute towards significant efficiency and environmental savings. Savings in purchasing cost are another benefit derived from proper waste management gained through reusing and recycling of construction waste. When proper waste management methodology is implemented, there are savings in transport costs and landfill charges, as well as revenue from the sale of recyclable construction waste. Other benefits encompass reduced legal liability due to environmental law issues and improved workplace safety. Furthermore, by practicing good waste management, there may be environmental benefits such as fewer chances of soil and groundwater contamination.
Benchmarking in construction management involves comparing and evaluating the performance of a construction project, process, or organization against industry standards, best practices, or previous projects. This practice helps identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and enhance overall efficiency.
Construction value management, also known as value engineering or value analysis, is a systematic and collaborative approach used to optimize the value of a project or product. It focuses on identifying opportunities to improve functionality, quality, and overall value while reducing costs and eliminating unnecessary elements. The main goal of value management is to achieve the desired outcomes and objectives of a project or product at the lowest possible cost without compromising on quality or performance. It involves a structured and multidisciplinary process that encourages the involvement of key stakeholders, including clients, designers, engineers, and contractors. 8. Supply chain management, SCM, is the strategic coordination and integration of various activities involved in the production, procurement, and distribution of goods and services. It encompasses the entire process of transforming raw materials into finished products and delivering them to the end customers. The main objective of supply chain management is to ensure the smooth flow of materials, information, and resources across the different stages of the supply chain, from suppliers to manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and ultimately to the end consumers.